In this video, I'm going to show you how to design brand templates in Canva. So in your Canva app, just tap on the search button and type for whatever templates you want. For example, I need cake brand templates. So I'll be typing that one. So here you will see 200,000 plus templates. So just scroll down and choose whatever templates you want or design you want to edit. So as for me, I'll be choosing this one. In here, you can edit this by adjusting the lines, change the image, and do whatever, put your logo. So I will be sharing you what I did. I will be posting the pictures so you can see the difference. So here I put my logo on top. I changed the images and decorated the backgrounds. So when you're happy with it, just save it onto your gallery. And that's it. That's how you can create your brand templates in Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.